Good afternoon or good evening, YouTube. Dave here. Hoping you all are doing good wherever you're at around the world. I know we're all pretty jittery right now, and the majority of us are pretty much panicking and the life-threatening situation that's going on with this coronavirus. I'm here in Travis County, which is the Austin, Texas area. We are in a mandatory curfew signed by the county judge here in Travis County, stating that we are to be in bed. The general public is basically what it's talking about. The general public is to be in bed between 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. And anybody caught within those times would be arrested. Either county police or sheriff or somebody with authority. There's an exemption for policemen, firemen, Parks Wildlife, and anybody that's representing a government entity is exempt from this curfew. Pretty much because they got to stay out here and take care of the place. Now, what I don't understand is that what about all these farmers like where I am? I'm also a farmer, and I take care of my own place. I think there's a restriction in there, and I think I need to read it a little bit closer. It said it in here. Let's see if I can bring up that file. It says persons traveling directly to and from essential businesses and retail establishments, including but not limited to grocery stores, gasoline stations, hospitals, and medical offices, or facilities, bus, train, or airplane terminals, so as long as the necessary precautions are maintained for employees and customers to reduce transmission of the COVID-19. Persons authorized to travel by emergency management directors and persons serving as law enforcement and so forth. So this means that as the ordinary citizen may, according to this, may be able to go to the store and just pick up something real quick and head back, not to be driving around neighborhoods or checking out the place. The curfew is a curfew. This is going to happen until I don't know when. It says, let's see. It doesn't say. It doesn't say how long this is going to happen. So, worst comes to worst, don't go out driving around. Don't go out driving at night. Don't be curious to see how the city looks empty at night. Don't do that, people. Let's play it safe and let's observe what our local government is telling us to, play it safe. We want to get rid of this virus from our system, from our area, so that less people get sick. Now, mind you, I'm not extremely old, but I'm not very young either. Just recently I got sick, but luckily it wasn't the coronavirus. It was just a common cold. I had runny nose, had coughing, sore throat, pretty much everything that had the symptoms of a coronavirus, but I didn't have the coronavirus. I was missing the shortness of breath. I was missing 2, 3 more other factors, but I was scared. I really thought I was sick. What ended up happening is that there's a northern cold front that came in from up north, pretty much hit Travis County, pretty much hit us pretty hard here. Cold winds, rain, thunderstorm, lightning, and if it wasn't enough that we're under so much stress because the government is hitting us, the media is hitting us with don't go out and stay, maintain yourself clean all the time and blah blah blah. I mean, that's normal for us to be clean all the time. I wash my hands every 10, 15 minutes if it's necessary. Matter of fact, I'm running out of this whatever this is called, this hand sanitizer. I'm almost out, and I can't even find any at the store anymore. I'm gonna have to either. Somebody told me about getting a bottle of alcohol and some of that aloe vera plant, the thick leaf of the aloe vera plant, munch it together. You know how it comes out, all that gooey stuff? Well, that gooey stuff, you mix it in there with the alcohol, mix it in there, and voila, this is what comes out. This gooey stuff. It's basically what it is. It's the aloe vera plant with alcohol, and it just, pretty much takes care of the cleanliness of your hands. Anyways, for the YouTube viewers that are watching out there, I would hope you would follow the guidelines that the local government is giving you, and follow them to the rule. I would say we're not allowing the government to take over our lives. They're just actually trying to help us out, trying to get us not to be sick, and get this thing over with. I'd like for this thing to get over with already. I had to cancel a flight to go see my daughter's graduation. That's pretty saddening. And then now I got another flight by October, November, to go to the Philippines. I may have to cancel that one also. That one was my vacation. I hope I don't have to cancel that one. Anyways, you notice that I'm touching my face a lot, but I use a lot of this liquid and rub it all over my face. It's pretty much, it's alcohol. Woo. No, it is clean, but I suffer from a lot of allergies in this area. But unfortunately, this is a place where I live, and it is a place where I grew up, so I got to put up with it. Anyways, this was just a moment reminder of you can see a lot of videos out there on YouTube of people pretty much saying the same thing. Maintain cleanliness. Try to stay at home as much as possible. If I had an opportunity to stay at home and not be out here at night, it'd be awesome for me. I'd be able to go home and rest. Turn on the television, put on the Xbox, and just play some online games, whatever. Just keep myself busy until I pretty much crash out. But I can't do that. I've got a couple of fields that I got to take care of, especially since there might be people coming in the middle of the night to steal from the fields. They got money to buy groceries, but they prefer to steal it from the fields. So I gotta stay here and try to take care of this. I'm gonna get back with you because I have a phone call, so I'll check back with you all later.